Kilalang mailap sa media si Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno. Pero sa unang anibersaryo ng pagkakaluklok niya sa pwesto, umarap sa media si Sereno at sinagot ang sari-saring tanong tungkol sa kanyang trabaho. Nakatutok si Lia Manyalak del Castillo.
Sa araw na ito, wala muna ang tinatawag na dignified silence ni Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno. 2.5 oras siyang umupo para sagutin ang mga tanong mula sa media at taong bayan. Natanong ang punong mahistrado, ano ang kanyang opinyon sa maingay na usapin ng pork barrel?
To respond to your question on PDAF, when the case is finally brought before us and when we speak through our decisions.
Paano naman kaya ginagastos ng judiciary ang milyon-milyong pisong nakokolekta nito mula sa mga legal fees na kalaunay bumubuo sa Judiciary Development Fund o JDF? 20% ng JDF nasa diskresyon ng punong mahistrado kung paano gagastusin.
For the total JDF collection, it reached 1 billion. 870 million of this, or 80%, was distributed to all the employees across the country. Every single centavo of the judiciary is fully audited, even the 20%.
Tanong ko naman kay Sereno ang tungkol sa mga kamag-anak ng mga mahistrado na nagtatrabaho rin sa Korte Suprema.
If I remember it right, even your son is your executive assistant. Isn't that considered nepotism?
They don't have security of tenure at all. So the ordinary rules of the civil service, even if you read that, do not apply to coterminous. A judge is appointed to a sala. He does not know anybody there. Wala siyang kasama. If there is a mafia already in that sala, mabebenta siya. The solution to guard one's reputation that had been found by my predecessors of long ago, and this has been a generation-old solution, is to have their family members guard them.
Nakakaisang taon pa lang si Sereno sa pwesto, ang pinakabatang nahirang na punong mahistrado ngayong modern era, sabi niya. At dahil 70 pa ang retirement age, may 17 taon pa siya bilang Chief Justice. Balak daw ba niyang buuin ang terminong ito?
What I can assure you, however, is I'm not going to resign simply because I made an oath. The advantage of a long term is that I'm able to dig into the problems in a deeper way.
Sinabi na ni Sereno noon na ang Diyos ang nagluklok sa kanya sa pwesto. Kaya tanong ni Howie Severino,
how do you reconcile your religious beliefs with your role as the primary guardian of our Constitution?
I do not bring the Bible to my chamber, flip it open, and point to a verse as the answer when I'm making a decision. No. No. I had 4 years of training in law school to bank on, and my long years of experience as a lawyer and as a teacher of law to do that.
at nang tanungin ng Miss Universe question na ano ba ang pinakamalaking pagkakamaling kanyang nagawa,
I don't know if Chief Justices admit to errors. That is the difficulty I'm grappling with. And what will be the legal implication on the stability of jurisprudence
not about any cases.
for a Chief Justice to admit to an error?
Yes.
That's why the Supreme Court does not also apologize, even if it has made mistakes. It reconsiders, it reviews.
Lia Manyalak del Castillo, nakatutok, 24 oras.